Hey everyone, so Zoe and I are hanging out downstairs as we weren't able to go to physical therapy today because I wasn't feeling good, but Zoe seems to be in good spirits. And she was keeping me company while I filmed a video for my other channel, and now we're just chilling out. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl, Zoe? Say, yes, Mommy, I'm a good girl. Just keep petting me. Okay, I'll keep petting you, honey. So even though I don't have video for you of the fourth day of physical therapy, this video still will include footage from the third day of physical therapy. And you can see in the video that she is starting to do better. And get stronger, and we're really happy to see that. So I hope you enjoy this video. And get something out of it. And and if you want to help Zoe and get to know her better, you can hop on over to her Patreon page, where I'll be posting more information about Zoe and updates on her on a regular basis. So we always start with the physical therapy that is out of the water, and then we move to the underwater treadmill. And so far, she's doing a really good job with the physical therapy that is out of the water. You're doing a good job, Zoe.
You're doing a real good job, buddy. Good girl.
We discovered she'll work for peanut butter, so we're trying that out for a little while.
There's no peanut butter, please. Good girl.
You're getting so much better with the physical therapy, Zoe.
You're doing awesome.
Are you going to make it go any faster?
A little bit, yeah.
Pay attention to how she walks in this clip versus how she walks on day 4. At least we figured out what she'll work for.
Yeah. I think we found the motivator. All right, buddy, keep walking. I'm going to turn up the speed just a little bit. Here you go. Zoe.
You're doing so good, Zoe.
Good dog.
I'm doing so good.
Good job, buddy. What a good girl.
Just a good girl, Zoe. We're doing this to strengthen your leg.
You're walking real good, buddy. She says I'm all peanut buttered out. I know. Good dog.
Based on what you've seen of her, or do you think she has the potential to make progress?
Yeah, good. Just gotta build up some muscle in that leg. Get you using it well. She's doing really well.
That's good.
Good job, Zoe. Last 30 seconds. Good girl. Keep going. Good job, buddy.
Thank you for your support and for watching this video, and thank you to Wyatt for joining Patreon. We really appreciate all your love and support for Zoey.